I'm Vicky, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to style this white wig, which is going to go with the Liberty dress here. So this is the dress all finished. This is the headpiece that I've made to go with it. So I've got to make sure as I style the wig that the headpiece sits where I want it to sit. The plan for this wig is to have a centre parting, to have it sitting fairly flat, and then to have big curls around here. So I'm going to back comb the bottom a lot and pin it up. At the minute I've got it set on some rollers and I've steamed it and let it cool completely. I didn't have any mesh rollers, so what I've done is I found some old Velcro rollers and I've covered them in calico so that the hair doesn't stick to them. So then I rolled it. You can see there's a centre part here, so it's rolled away from the centre part and then just all rolled going backwards from there. So I'm going to take each roller out, give it a good brush, and then use some hairspray. I've got a back combing brush and I've got a couple of other brushes here that I'm going to use to style it. I've got a selection of bobby pins as well. So let's take these curlers out and see how it looks. So I've kind of folded it up and bobby pinned it where I want it to be. Now I'm holding it really tight and just brushing those ends just to get a little bit of definition back in them after all the back combing. Some of the ones in the bigger curlers haven't taken the curl quite as well. This is my finished look. It's absolutely massive, but lovely and smooth on top where the crown sits. I might just even that front bit up a little bit. It seems a bit longer there, but I think I'll do that when it's on me. I think that'll be easier to judge when it's actually on my head. I'm now going to do my makeup to go with this look. I've got a whole selection of products here. I'll show you them as I'm going through. I've never done my makeup on camera before, so this is a whole new thing for me, but I love makeup. I've been wearing probably too much makeup for a very long time. Recently I've been a lot more inspired by drag performers to really push the limits. I've always been quite dramatic with my makeup, but seeing the beautiful makeup that people like Violet Chachki do, it's just really inspired me to push the limits and just go all out with makeup and have the confidence to do it. So thank you, you amazing drag performers out there, for showing us that you can be fabulous and over the top and gorgeous, and that we can do it too. It's not just for drag performers. The women around the world, I think, are taking inspiration for makeup and confidence from seeing these beautiful performers. So I'm going to do it's a little bit drag inspired, it's a little bit out of my head, and I hope you enjoy it. If I'm doing anything wrong, don't tell me. I don't really care. I like the results, so just do what I do. So first of all is the Fenty Beauty primer. I use my hands far too much as well, but I don't really care. So first up, I'm going to use the Colourpop I Think I Love You palette. So I'm just going to sort of sketch things out roughly, and then I'll go over it all. Next, I'm using Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Hot Toddy. Next, I want to make it a little bit redder, so I'm using Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics. I'm using this bright, I'm going to use this sort of bright red there to take the pinkiness out a little bit. More Super Shock, this time in Liberty. Oh, it's called Liberty. There you go, it was meant to be used. This is an amazing silver colour. So I'm going to go over some of the black with the BH Cosmetics liquid liner now, just to blacken it up nicely. Next I'm using this BH Cosmetics palette just for some more neutrals, just to blend in the top of the eye a little bit. Next up is brows. Alright, next I'm going to do my base, which again I'm using the Fenty Beauty in 140. Next I'm going to do a little bit of contouring, but not in a sort of normal contour way. I'm going to use some red. It's kind of a mixture of drag and goth, I guess. Like a friend who is really into purple makeup, and she always contoured her cheeks in purple, and it looked amazing. So I'm going to use the Colourpop again, and a really thin brush to create. God, I hope this looks like it does in my head. Blend sort of above it, but not below it. Cool, happy with that. I'm going to do a little bit of blush and highlighter above it. I'm using the BH Cosmetics blush palette. I'm going to use this really pink one there because I think that's going to tone in with what we're doing. Oh yeah. You even see that? Was that getting lost on camera? Oh, it's got a bit of a 80s new romantic kind of vibe to it too with that line. I like that. So to highlight, I'm going to go back to the BH Cosmetics palette using Moonlight. And then I'm going to do lashes in a moment, and to finish it off I'm going to do red lips. I've got a Reba and Starcrossed from Colourpop, and I've got a BH Cosmetics lip liner in Glory. So I'm going to use a combination of these to do my lips. I'm going to put my lashes on, then I'll go and get the wig, the headpiece and the whole outfit on, and I will be back to show you the complete look. I hope you enjoyed watching me style the wig and do my makeup to go with this look. I think there's not many women of my age on YouTube doing over the top makeup. I think it's something that seems to be really done by younger girls. So I hope I've inspired you, whatever your age is, to be creative with your look, with your image, with your makeup, and just have fun with it. Makeup's fun. At the end of the day, it washes off. It's not permanent. So enjoy it, have fun with makeup and experiment and express yourself. It doesn't matter what you look like, how old you are, what your gender is, anything. It doesn't matter. Just have fun and express yourself and enjoy it. Check out all the other videos that go along with this one. There's one for making the crown, there's one for making the dress, there's my vlogs that show you behind the scene of how everything came together, the decisions I make as I'm making things and things like that. So check them all out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, please click the thumbs up button and leave me a comment. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see. Let me know if you enjoyed me showing you how I do my wigs and makeup as well. This is a bit of a departure for me, and I'll be back soon with a whole new dress and a whole new look to go with it.